States of America.
Okay, thank you. Tabuk sanani musungo. Koroksa takuk Amerika ni bhajak. Ang tomon nok tolao phai bathak jagi ko bini lagis rok kamamai ko nai nai dinoro. Lagis rok bono koroksa buku obo address ka chino ang toman nok ni address rui bono nasingni tonka. Bo duporni duita ni siming nasingmani tabuk papa koti tam hanela tabuk 431 tam to koroksa bukukjek bumung salia ang bumung bo sato saka ang dong siwang takuk ta bukuk jong belano la sima singsa
Giving me what? Giving your conditions for joining this.
boanu phone number kha do phone number kha phone number ang call khaimani tabuk switch off inke switch off inke botabu bono nasingi tongo omseke bukha kolok bini friend be malayan bagai borok Facebook ti sinilaifu Facebook ti sinilaiuni sabo inke tabuk finance kang bo contract khlai nyu phaiga phaimani boroni phaiga bin bandobi malayan ba bin bandobi ya bini kising jik bai bini mare be malayan hnoi America ni bo tini sini tirprabo phaiei bina friend se tabuk kamazak biang thaka boro thanai sejimeng tonga tabuk inke tabuk
tabuk Boroksa, that means I'm alone.
Boroksa means alone, no?
No, it means
Koroksa.
Yeah,
koroksa.
It means alone?
Yes, alone.
inke bo bai sinilajak balukjak ni sao Facebook ti
Humans. Koroksa. So if you define in things,
mo papa tamrok salai dong mo khai tabuk
we define to
ang
animals.
baso ingresi rong mai ang ba
Would be much.
inka ta sa American ingresi sarna American ingresi rong ka ke jeng bujina rok phan sa ai je bujina rok phan sa buji mar gya hai ma tong wa
Mosquito.
samai ta ga thabu war jong mani thampoi ta sa siri thampoi war jong mani
If you
mo
say belai, it's say all.
Allah is all.
mo
Mosquitoes.
Belay mosquito.
inka
Everywhere.
tabuk tam khlai ni semia
You did, can you?
khaja thani ko gorong mana do
I'm trying. This is the best I have.
bo serngi dong ang je buji mani kan ke
Ang Saimano Kakbrok.
ha what
Ang Saimano Kakbrok.
nang ko gorok semanu
Yeah.
ang orang busi kata bukuk je bai bo Facebook ti gabang setting khlai le borok na ko gorok serang layo Facebook ti setting khlai le mane sinile jak baluk jak khana hai ma tong tia bukuk tiri kharjak biang bo hujak tong na bini problem ngi da phaimania saimalia agi khanamani motoi friend rock Facebook friend rock phaile thanglai hnoi tini nugui dikhang pia ani friend ya ani khoroksa bukuk jekni bumung to saliang sabuni bukuk jek bini official samung kisa tamo bungai leri dong hangke bo nok sini angkai or norong to thajing sa garo batak to bai kyang ang anora sidogai ko sar ophan khare ro hosi wan khai dai hi man ka angka ba brandi ophan khare ro hosi nai sini ko sung bong mani brandi rok to tong nai ga nek sa puna kuni ru tugi rok mono khare kisa hit ke gan rok ser sabri man arang nai
New York.
I was saying you were from where?
California.
California ni sebuna
California.
California
Jeda se nakal mo ma daga.
bar busa hasal soba ke pa wanakha
So how was the journey?
Hmm?
So how was the journey? Till California to India?
How was the journey?
Yeah.
Long. What is better for counting? Gonamong or Lakhadi?
lekhadi
That's counting.
Yes.
Why is Gonamong? What's that?
goni mung
Goni mong sung goni adi ba?
goni gon abo ka soshi kokro klaya ta
Acha.
lekhamung bo so soshi kokro klaya lekha pora lekhadi lekhawo abo not appropriate
It's
Means
not the right word.
yes
Means goni mong and the lekhati.
Uh-huh.
It's quite similar, but it's not appropriate to us.
Well,
Still.
what's Gonamong then? What is
Goni
it?
mong also counting.
They're both counting.
Yes.
But you don't use Gonamong.
No.
Gonamong.
We use lekhamong.
Okay. What's the word for number?
Number?
sa nei thambre badok sini sar chukuchi
Amdi namchi number.
na ching lekhamani ta
Sini number tam sungguh, sini number.
Sini number tu krip le sini script se kere ingke tahu sung tam salah salah lasi mai siksa tahu. Omo na hadi tam salah cene ceng. Tahu American borokbai sini script tamu ba sini number tamu ni sengat tongka. Ingke seng bono tam salah cene tahu kerihi salah cene kerihi salah cene dia sudah borok mai ceng. Kasih kene abu tu sung le kamani sih. Just sini
script keri sini.
Script krip le. Kasih kene ketam kai beri kai dok. Abu ngangke sini 1 2 3 นี่แหละคำนี้อ่ะที่1 2 3แหละคำ1 2 3 4นี่แหละคำนี้แกชาเนยทำเลยบาดอกสินี่จ้าจุกจิ๋วบ้องกันแกที่นี่1 2 3 4 5นี่แหละคำนี้อ่ะบอกไม่ใช่แค่นั้นอีกเพียบว่าที่นี่สคริปต์สกรีนก็เสร็จบนตามมีชนะสัตว์บอกหลังจากไม่ศึกษา
It's quite embarrassing, but we didn't have the script.
Huh?
Yeah.
Script?
Yeah, we don't have script. Of
but
numbers.
You have to have a word for
numbers.
But you have to have a word for number.
No.
You have to. Use gonamong. Gonamong means number.
We have the word, but we didn't have the script.
Right. You don't need a script, but you still say, you say kaisa, that's number, that's one.
We say in a word, but we didn't have the script. Written scripted.
Right. But it's still, conceptually, it's still a number, right? You would, I don't know, maybe you don't need it.
Mostly we use that Hindi words like or English word we use.
Would they have a word for number? Or they don't either?
Sorry?
Like languages from neighboring states, like Mizoram or Assam or any related languages, Sino-Tibetan languages.
So
do any of them have a word for number? Do you know?
No.
No, there's no word for number.
What languages? What do you know from Abu?
What else do I know in Kaprok?
Yeah.
Cherai is child, right?
Cherai, yes.
Love.
Hamjak.
Hamzat.
Me. I know. This would be better if you ask me. Then I have to come up with something because I can't say sentences yet.
Yeah.
So I'm just learning the words in the past couple weeks.
Oh.
Words would be koktai.
What is kok thai?
Koktai.
Thai. Thai.
And so if you want a fruit, you would say kaisa. No, kai tai.
Kaisa means one.
Yeah.
One kaisa.
So how do you say I want one fruit?
One fruit.
Yeah, one fruit, like an apple.
Kaisa. Not kaisa. Kaisa apple. Kaisa.
So like, because it makes me think of
Kaisa is बहुत different kaisa के.
Kaisa ngangke tahu Kaisa Thai tam abong ke seng. Samung ya abu butai ni hono Kaisa Thai ni. Butai ni laka porong ngangke butai ni hono ke sauseng Kaisa. Kaisa ke tahu sabu serom di Kaisa kai ni kai tam. Kaisa tam sesene hono tabu kongsa kong nei kong tham abong kan ke sabu serom di kolom. Tahu seng kolom no saga. Kolom kongsa kong nei kong tham.
In our language counting, we have many words too, like as you said, kaisa.
Fruit, just like fruit. We count Thaisa, Thai nei, Thai tam, Thai beri, Thai ta. The one apple. One apple means Thaisa apple.
That means in fruits we used to count in the word. We used to say in the word Thaisa.
Thai.
and if it's animal. Yes.
Ko ayang bini friend by kok salai tu bin friend call ke tahu sus kloka.
He is, yes.
Tahu aro kok salai tu tahu.
Yeah, now we're gonna be on YouTube.
Saya nama Zorting kan ke? Patara sobat kian.
Me.
Tahu
I know.
Pasta ro phane ni saru kang bolo call mak lek ya bukuk jeng no. What bro?
She wants me to come outside.
Bini Facebook friend no masingjak phaijak ko naige nang mo silik senar sion abukuk jek sabungka American ni bororo bese kok salai American bororo bese bernya phaijak sion ko oh my god au paithago malakha bini mare bono phai tang thambakya ani nokni